Well, here we are at the Flying Can Ranch. I'm going to give you a little teaser on something I got for Christmas, and it's a little different. We're going to try a couple things here with it. You're going to have to bear with me. It's a little hard to load, but we'll get with it. Let's see what it does right here. I'm going to see if I can hit this can. I've hit this other thing a couple of times. And we'll talk about it a little bit. Oh, I missed it. All right, hold on a second. This is where things get a little tall for they can't get. This thing's a little complicated. Quick, but yeah, wait a second. Push that back up in there. Still there? I guess so. Let me come over here for a second. And let's see what we can do. We're going back as she comes. All right, we're going to try this can again. I don't know what that's doing. Oh. Woo! See that? Popped a hole right in it. Had that can full of water. That's kind of cheating, but all right, we'll do a couple more. Woo! We'll do a couple more. Trying to see if I can get this loaded up again as quickly as I left it in the road. Oh, back, and put. Give me that toy, Brock. What are you gonna do with that toy? We ain't giving it to you. Oh, that's her. Okay. See if I can hit that can again. That's pretty good. We'll take about 2 more on it. And something's backward here. I don't know what's backward, but something's backward. Oh, drop that. Okay, I think I got this. Okay, so we're gonna hit this plastic thing next. Click. Watch this. Excuse me, Frankie. Wow. Now, I know I don't normally do this, and we're going to do it again later, but you can see where this thing was slamming. Didn't go all the way through, but you can see where it hit it there, went clean in. Didn't come out. Now, the can is another story. I got it pretty good in here, and it was really trying to come out over here. Now, I'm not going to lie to you, I feel like someone beat me with a hammer. So we're going to show you what we're using. I'm not going to do a full review because I'm sicker than hell, I really am. I wanted to try it with a flat band. This is like a slingshot rifle. And when I do the full review, I'll tell you all about the ins and outs and how to load it. With the flat band on it, see, it comes with these also. They're a lot more powerful, a hell of a lot harder to cock it, but you cannot load this size in there. I don't remember what it is. I got some cans of it, but I had some smaller rusted up ones I was having at it with, and that did pretty good. So as you can see, well, this thing tangles up kind of easy. This pocket, see if I can get this thing to pop out. There it goes. Isn't quite the same length. I couldn't get these into this pocket and make it feed into this interlock thing. But I just wanted to give you a teaser about it. When I get to feeling a little better, I'll do a full review on it, and we'll do a shooting review, and we'll try the different bands on it. Again, you just saw what the flat band would do, and we'll go over it. So I just wanted to give you a little teaser on it. It's interesting to assemble, but we're going to talk about that in vivid detail of the ins and outs of it. Because if you don't do that, and you're not aware of it, well, then you're going to be kind of screwed. No pun intended. But like I said, when I get to feeling better, we'll do a field review on it. In the meantime, I'm going to get back in the house for a little bit. It's not too bad out here, but I don't want to get any sicker than I am, because this thing has got my girlfriend and me sideways. It has really, really hit us hard. So we will talk to y'all later. That's how we do it at the Frying Can Ranch. Later.